guys, so welcome back to the fucking channel. None of you know what I have to go through to get this working. Anyways, welcome. Hey. This is Shawnee. Oh. Stop! Oh my god! I went from a 0 to 100. Hey guys, so we're gonna surprise my friend. Hi. Because she doesn't know the camera works. I'm blurry. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna surprise her. And I'll let you guys know the updates. What up, y'all? It's about to get lit! They don't know what going on! Welcome back to the channel!
Not this place vlogging already.
I got it to work, why wouldn't I?
You right. Let me holler at y'all real quick. Man, y'all know what the fuck going on, you know, feel me? She got out of class.
She's a scholar! Student athlete! Yeah!
Anyways.
Tell them about your day.
It's shitty outside today, so I don't think we're gonna be outside.
Unfortunately.
Welcome to, Washington for y'all. Where are we going right now? Home?
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go back to quote unquote home because Lai lives with me.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a fat minute. I am now home from volleyball practice. I went to that. There's no footage of it, but you can believe me. We're gonna go to a Mexican restaurant because it's Cinco de Mayo.
Mexican.
What did you say?
Mexican food.
Oh.
Mexican.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna do everyone's fit check.
Okay, sit down. You're too close. Okay, my socks are Nike. My little joggers here are Lululemon. This is a little cropped sweatshirt that I stole from someone I don't like anymore. So,
Period.
that's bad.
Okay, Megan, your turn.
Flannel shirts, leggings, mushroom sock, and a white Vans.
Back at it again with the white vans. Adrian, your turn. Fit check.
Jeans are from PacSun.
Period.
Shirt is from Urban Outfitters. And some necklaces. I got this for my birthday from my best friend. And then some earrings that I've worn for like the last 2 years.
Period. Someone do me, someone do me. Stop. Anyways, a fit. It's giving lazy. True. Champion sweatshirt that I stole from the Lost and Found. These flannel pants from Old Navy. A very small undershirt. It's meant for like a little boy. Like it's a boy small. And boxers. And the same size. And you know, have the Air Forces. And stop. Look at, I'm wearing zebra socks.
Are you gonna wear that to dinner?
Yeah. Why would I?
You're the only one dressed up.
Yeah.
I'm going to get drunk tonight because I'm the only one here that's 21.
Oh, don't get me demonetized, Adrian. Okay, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. And that is like the 500th time.
Okay, this light is washing me out. Look how tan you look compared to how tan I look.
It's hard being a light tan, huh?
Oh, really? Really? Yeah, I guess. Oh God. I literally wrote this song on a note to my ex-boyfriend in like 3rd grade as a joke, and he did not think it was a joke. He got so mad. Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I really want to say
But you got the first part.
That was like a demo. That was like a demo. Let me pick a song. You suck.
These are good.
suck.
You guys just don't know.
Okay, but it's your turn next. It's your turn next anyway, so I can pick a song.
The girls are fighting. I don't know this song.
The girls are fighting. There's a bitch.
I don't.
Okay, you know this song? I do. I'm getting a phone call. Stop it. Hello. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Bye. We gotta go eat dinner now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Here we have Tiana.
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib. Let me show you what we got. We got some Triscuits. We got some more Triscuits. We got some nut thins made with real almonds. Okay. We got some French bread. We got some shrimp in the marinade. And then you come in here. Oh, we got some avocados. We got some onions. We got some cilantro for the shrimp. And then, plot twist, I got some cheese. I got some more 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 motherfucking cheese. And you know what's back here? More motherfucking cheese. More motherfucking cheese. Cut the cameras. Anyways, hopefully everyone's ready to shit their brains out after this. I got a lot of cheese.
I am, because I haven't shit in a couple days. Because
it's really bad for you. You're supposed to shit like once a day.
Stop drinking coffee.
Okay.
Like it would be harder for me to shit because like coffee like helps me shit.
Sorry, that took me a fucking second. That was awkward.
Or at least I think that that's what's happening. And it's like really fucked up. Like it's not cool. I need to take some stool softener or something. Like I'm so scared of being like constipated. It's okay. Cut the camera. Cut the fucking camera.
Ow.
Or does everyone know what the size? Go. I was trying to get you tongue because I got money now.
Morgan like said something and I was like
You like cut the back of my throat. I don't actually have a gag reflex. That was all a joke. Can you imagine? I'm like,
it was my middle finger too. It was my long one. Damn you like
holy shit. What? It sounded louder than it was. It didn't actually hurt.
I'm gonna need a copy of this.
Hey guys, we have a special guest with us.
Hey,
Adrian!
No, bitch. Literally point to the person with the most subscribers. How many do you have? 15?
Damn, I have like 100 something.
Morgan has 100. So.
I know, I'm 156.
Okay.
Fuck! You beat me by like 40.
Bitch, I'm up and I've never been fucking down.
I'm gonna insert some clips of the last time I visited Morgan.
Yeah, you should insert the clip where I was banging my head against the wall and screaming.
Yeah. Start doing it now.
No.
That was your cue.
No. I'm not in the mood.
You know this was scripted, like why you know this was scripted, like why would you do, like you're ruining my vlog right now.
I need to be on a come down of coke. God, you're the dumbest fucking bitch. I can't believe I even fucking agreed to come here. Take me home.
Did you know what Morgan said in the car?
No! Oh! She's taking it out of context. She's taking it out of...
He said, well, fuck you, Adrian. I don't think women should have any rights. You know, I don't think they should have any rights, and it all comes down to me. I'm the only one that gets to say
Morgan. So what I said, I think it's wrong that a man... I think it's wrong that a man thinks he has the power to have that litigation over a woman's body.
Shut the fuck up.
No, she gets caught in a fucking lie, and now she starts acting like a dumbass.
Oh, let's face her Mason really quickly.
Mason doesn't exist. Is Mason in the room with us right now?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
No, don't.
Real life activist.
Bury me with the crying emoji and a bottle of Jose Cuervo. That's all I'm gonna say.
Morgan's gonna get caught in a lie.
Bitch, I've never lied once. The only time I've ever fucking lied was when I said I love you.
When did you say you love me?
Probably at some point. It's been like 9 years.
Yeah, Morgan was in love with me. Oh, here he is.
This is fucking insane. What did he say?
I need to have a little talk about something called boundaries.
No, I'm the villain.
Yeah, you are the villain.
I'm the problem.
Yeah, you are. Thank you for realizing.
So fucking be it. Wait, do I look good?
Yeah,
Of course,
for
I'm
sure.
gonna get home.
Wait, let me see. Hi.
And that's enough.
Oh, wait, I was giving
Blurry.
Giving balls in the nutsack. Bitch, this is scrumptious.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God.
I'm so uncomfortable. I'm so uncomfortable.
Okay. We're done. That's it. I'm out. No more cameo. No more featuring.
Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, we're gonna give everyone's plug so they can, you know.
YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Morgue Living.
Plug yourself.
So I'm gonna be down here.
I don't want to plug myself.
I want
The
to remain
mysterious
anonymous.
one. No one will ever know who she is. Just kidding. You said your name earlier in the vlog.
You're right.
Anyways, bye.
All right.